Hello and welcome to this video. Today we are going to discuss why meditation is important and how meditation can increase your memory and brain power by practicing it just for 20 minutes every day. Research shows that people who meditate on a regular basis are happier than those who do not. In today's social media and information age, we have so many varieties of distractions and vast information available at our disposal to focus on things we want and navigate this complex life. According to studies, meditation has innumerable benefits that have a positive impact on the brain. Neuroscientists recently found a link between improved memory power and meditation practice. Some of the cognitive benefits of meditation are: first, emotional control; second, memory improvement; third, focusing ability, also known as selective attention; and fourth, stress and anxiety are reduced. Meditation can help you focus your attention and stream your constructive thoughts. To reach a meditative state of mind, you can focus on your breath and observe your thoughts as they drift through your mind. But how to meditate daily for 20 minutes? So, here are some strategies to help someone achieve their goal of meditating on a regular basis. First, specific time. Set aside a specific time each day to meditate. This will create a habit and make it easier to stick with. Second, comfortable atmosphere. Take some time to create a comfortable atmosphere for meditation. This could involve listening to calming music, lighting some candles, or using essential oils. Third, start small. Begin with short meditation sessions of 5 to 10 minutes and gradually increase the length of time as per your need. Fourth, use guided meditations. There are a lot of apps and YouTube videos today to help you through the process of meditation. Fifth, try different types of meditation. Different types of meditation can be more effective for different types of people. Sixth, be patient. Like any skill, it takes time and practice to master the art of meditation. I hope this video and the strategies discussed in this are helpful and can help someone reach their goal of meditating regularly. For more such videos, kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel to understand more about how to rewire your brain and reprogram your mind.